Dear students, hello. Welcome in the chapter Federalism, chapter 2nd of Political Science from class 10th. First of all, you have to know what is federalism. Federalism is a system of government in which the power is divided between a central authority and various constituent units of the country. In this chapter, we will come to know about the what is decentralization. But a decentralization when power is taken away from central and state government and given to local governments. जब शक्तियां जो है केंद्रीय सरकार और राज्य सरकार से लेकर स्थानीय सरकार को दे दी जाती हैं उसे हम कहते हैं डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन। इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं विकेंद्रीकरण। वाई इट्स नीड, वाई देयर इज अ नीड ऑफ दैट, इसकी हमें ज़रूरत क्यों है? First is vastness of states in size and population, because there is a many states and they are big in size and also about the population. So for the well smooth running of the country, smooth running of the rule, it is needed. Second, internally diverse. Internally diverse means there is a diversity internally also. And third is need for power sharing, because in federalism there is a need for power sharing. Everyone has to participate in the ruling, of the states, in the making policies and plans. What is the basic idea behind decentralization? First is solving large number of problems and issues at local level, because at local level the central level and state level has no knowledge of deeply about the problems. So solving large numbers of problems and issues at local level, there is a need of that the decentralization. People have better knowledge of problems in localities. That people who are living there, they have the better knowledge of problems in the localities. Better ideas on where to spend money and how to manage things efficiently. They can save in a better way where to spend the money and how to manage things efficiently. Next is to realize one important principle of democracy, local government. They have to realize one important principle of democracy, that is a local government. Local government can realize the main things in decision making also, people participation in decision making. In this way local people also can participate in the decision making. That's why decentralization is necessary. Brought in, now we are talking about the 1992 Act. In this act, there was some effective steps were taken in the decentralization. What were they? First, it is mandatory to hold regular elections to local governments. It was made mandatory to hold regular elections to local governments bodies. Next, reservation of seats for SC, ST and PCS. After that, reservation has been made of seats for SC, ST and PCs. Third one is 1/3 seats reserved for women. At least 1/3 of all positions are reserved for women. State Election Commission conducts election. An independent institution called the State Election Commission has been created in each state. State governments share some power and revenue with local bodies. The state governments are required to share some powers and revenue with local government bodies. In this way, we have seen that decentralization is the step to strengthen the local government. Thank you.